Hi friends, welcome again on Finance with Inam. In this video, we will discuss about the RDA Roshan Digital Account and how it works. If you are living in outside the country, you belong to Pakistan and you are living outside the country, then you can open this RDA account, Roshan Digital Account. They provide you multiple options in RDA, which is Roshan Apna Ghar, Roshan Apni Car, Roshan Samaji Khidmat, and stock market again, the Roshan pension plan, and Naya Pakistan certificate. So let's discuss these things one by one. If we want to discuss, if we start with Naya Pakistan certificate, then we can see here they have Islamic version also and they have conventional version also. Again, for the Islamic side, if you have concern with the Islamic or non-Islamic, you can ask any mufti, because these banks, they have a panel of muftis and ulama sharia board who gives them certificate, and they have check and balances on Islamic finance. So still, if you want, you can ask any mufti about the Islamic finance. See, if you are investing in Naya Pakistan certificates, then there are two options. One is you open an RD account with PKR account, Pakistani rupee account. The other option is the foreign currency, which is USD, which is GBP, Great Britain pound, and euro. So these currencies are there. For example, if you want to open USD account, the dollar account, then you don't have to worry about the currency devaluation, because from, for example, you are living in GCC countries, you will be sending money in dollars to Pakistani account, it will remain in dollar, you will get a return or profit on your money, and then after 1 year or after the maturity, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 3 years and 5 years, whatever you want, after this time you can take your money back on that currency. For example, you are giving $1,000 and you are getting a return of 9% in 1 year. So it will become, so I will open it, my calculator. 1000 multiplied by 0.09, it will become 1090 dirhams or $90. Then you can withdraw that $1090. Obviously, after tax, it will deduct a tax of maybe 10% or 15%. We will see this later. That money you can withdraw to your foreign account. If you are in GCC, you will get this money in your GCC account in USD term, so you don't have to worry about the currency also. But if you see the return in Pakistani, so if you are sending money in Pakistan, you have family back home, or you want to buy a land, or you want to invest in Pakistan, or you want this money to be spent in Pakistan, or again, even in the RDA, you are sending money in Pakistan in RD account, you can withdraw this money without any restriction back in your GCC account, no problem, anywhere in the world. So for the PKR, you will get a return of 1 year return is 21.5%. You can invest for 3 months only if you want, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. For 1 year, the rates which they will offer you is 21.5%, which means if today you want to invest 1 million, then after 1 year you will get a profit of 2,15,000 rupees. So which is a good profit. 2,15,000 rupees is a very good amount. For example, if you are a person who is sending money back home every month, you are sending 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, whatever you are sending. So my suggestion is, what you can do, this is your own choice. For example, you are sending every month 1 lakh rupees, right? So if it is possible for you, you can start sending 2 lakhs every month to Pakistan in RD account. Out of this, 1 lakh you can give to your home, the other 1 lakh you can park in Naya Pakistan certificate. So what will happen from now, this is May, month of May, right? You send 2 lakh rupees to Pakistan in RD account, 1 lakh you give to your money, your family, the other 1 lakh you keep in your Naya Pakistan certificate. What will happen? The next year, in the month of May, you have to send 1 lakh to your family, right? So from next year, you don't have to send 2 lakhs every month. You just have to send 1 lakh, which you will park in Naya Pakistan certificate. This 1 lakh which you send now, it will get mature and it will give you return of 1,21,000 rupees, right? So this 1 lakh you can give to your family. This 21,000 is your own profit. After 5 months, you have this 1 lakh extra. So let's make it simple. If you are sending 12 lakhs back home every year, if you do this thing which I told you, send the money to the RD account, it means you don't have to send 12 lakhs to Pakistan. You just have to send around 9,50,000, around 9,50,000 to Pakistan, and your family will receive 12 lakh, which means 1 lakh every month. So you can consider this is a very good option for the RD account for the people who are living, the Pakistani people who are living in outside the country. So this is a very good option for them. The RD account, Naya Pakistan certificate. Then again, the stock market is there. You can invest in stock market. Again, you are investing in stock market, you are getting your profit, and you don't have to worry about how I can get this profit back in my country where I am living. If you are living in UAE, Dubai, you can get this currency money, KSA, Saudi, anywhere in the world you are living, you can take this currency back in your own currency. And if you want to spend this money in Pakistan, you can do this also. So do consider this is RD account. It is very helpful for the Pakistanis who are living abroad. It is very simple. No hassle here. You don't have to go anywhere. The system is online. One more thing, interesting thing is, if you have any issue in your RD account, they will provide you a manager also, relationship manager also, which they don't provide if you are living in Pakistan and you have a bank account, you have even you have 4 lakh salary, you will not have a relationship manager. But in RD account with very small money also, 50,000 also, when you will open your account, you will get the relationship manager. So no worries. If you have any problem, the relationship manager will help you in this thing. If they don't, then you can call their helpline, the bank helpline. They will assist you. If they don't, then you can send just one email to State Bank, and believe me, I also tried this thing. Within minutes they will assist you and resolve your problem. So do consider the RD account, and it is very helpful for us, for the country also, and for your own profit also. So thank you. If you like my content, do consider subscribe, like and share, and we will come with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.